Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Megan here. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me video. So this is one of the TNs that I made myself. This was the one that I used the Mod Podge on the fabric, and because I didn't use fabric Mod Podge, it kind of was a little messed up. Like you can see it wrinkles quite a bit. And so I'd redone it and made one using just fabric. And that worked really, really well. I actually still have it right here. The problem with that, I filled it too quickly. I needed more bands, and it was too full. Didn't have any more space in it. So I decided to switch it out for this one, which is a little bit bigger because my tan's getting kind of chunky, and I don't want to take anything out of it because I really like it the way it is right now. Anyway, so this one is set up primarily using the kits from Happie Scrappie, and I've gone through this planner before in other videos. You can see that I just kind of got all the kits from the summer and then an order that I placed, and had used like these stickers I used in my plannings for last week. Speaking of last week / this week, today is Tuesday the 2nd. Some of the stickers that I will be using today in my plan with me are these fall bucket list stickers, and I got these from, I think these came from Bling Bling Planner online. Not 100% positive. They are printables, so I did print them and cut them myself. I will source these for you guys and put them in the information below. But one of them was to burn a fall candle, and I've been so ready for the weather to break here in Colorado, and it finally did last week. So we've had temperatures where the highs have been in the 70s, which is really, really nice. And the lows have been down into the mid 30s, which is fantastic because all the trees are starting to turn color, and it's nice. You don't have to have the AC on anymore. And there's a little bit of cloud cover, which for anybody who lives in Colorado or kind of along the Front Range, you know that we get lots and lots of sunlight every year, and it can get, you probably won't believe me, but you can get tired of the sun. If you see it 360 days out of 365 every year, you get tired of the sun. But so this was last week, and you can see I've already put one of those bucket list candles in there. This was the last week I had available in this planner. I'm still using this insert. I've got stuff in here, and I like to go back and look at stuff from time to time, so I'm not going to take this out yet. But I am going to be using, let's close that up, sorry. Let's go down here to here. No, next one down. Okay, so this insert, so this was an insert that I made myself using the digital files that come with my Happie Scrappie subscription, and I was trying to kind of like pretty much just make the same insert that I have up here that I enjoy so much. As you can see, I have some thickness issues, and this is printed on highly really cheap paper, I should say. You can see it shadowing through there. And I was just checking for like line size and everything like that, and icon size. So this was kind of my rough draft of what I was hoping to do. And I was thinking, okay, I don't know, I'll use it or not. And then this came from, again, I'll link it down. It's radandhappy.com. She does coloring pages and t-shirts, and she right now has a deal going for a class where you can learn to use, what is it called, on the iPad. I don't use it because I don't use an iPad. Procreate or something like that, I think is the name of the program. Anyway, so she does all these really great adult coloring sheets, and I printed them out. Like, I got the subscription. It's $5 a month, and she'll send you 3 sheets, and if you sign up right now, you get 3 extra sheets that are for the season, and she sends them to you in your inbox. And like I said, I printed them all out, and I had a stack of them, and some of them had like little foxes on them, and one of them had little camping like kind of icons, and it said camping is intense, INTENTS, which is a pun, and puns are so much fun because it's supposed to be intense, like it's really intense. Anyway, so that was a subscription that we're really enjoying, and this was one of the coloring sheets that I put together, like I colored, obviously. Anyway, back from my enormously long tangent there. Let's get back to the plan with me. Sorry about that, you guys. Do I have everything I want out of here? I think so. I'm not going to close that yet because I don't know if I might go back in. All right, so I'm going to be using the September 2018 kit from my Happie Scrappie subscription. And this was the insert that they sent. And you can see on this side, it's got that fantastic weekly spread. And then over here, I've got pages for each day. Well, there's 6 spots. So one for each day of the week and then a double for the weekend or however you work it out. Because I start my week on a Wednesday and not a Monday, I will be covering these. I believe this hand lettering is done by Annie Plans, or Annie from Annie Plans Printable. All this information, like I said, I'll link down at the bottom so you can go check it out. Subscriptions for the October kits for Happie Scrappie are currently open. So if you are interested in this kit and everything you see today, please go check out her kits. They're not terribly expensive, and she has a huge array of size options. So if you're a standard TN like me, she has that. If you use rings, she has a whole bunch of different ring options. So yeah, I definitely recommend that you go take a look at that and find something that you really like. Sorry, I was just trying to pick the sticker off of here. He's so cute. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get him off of there though. It's like you can already see he's peeling up pretty badly. So we'll just leave him up there for now. Alrighty, let's get started. So let's start with the days. So again, she does Monday through Sundays, and then along the bottom she does another one. So you get 5 weeks worth of date covers. Or these are day covers, not really date covers. So we'll start, like I said, I start on a Wednesday, so here we go, Wednesday. It's been a crazy week. My husband's been out of town on a business trip that he left last week, Monday. So we've now not seen him a full 7 days. And my children are like, wait a minute, when's Dad coming home? And I'm like, well, Dad, we're going to meet him. So we got a few more days though, guys. We can make it. We can make it. And we're going to meet up with him and have a fun weekend. And then we'll be back home. So, all right. Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. This has kind of been interesting with the, working from Wednesday on. Here, hold on a second. This keeps doing something strange with the, what is going on here? Hold on one sec. Let me fix this. Woo! My camera is definitely not the best camera. I apologize for that, but it gets the job done. So let's do that. And let's see here. Let's get us a little bit closer. All right, I think that'll work. So sorry. So sorry about that. All right, there we go. That looks good. So maybe it's not playing the autofocus game quite as much. I know that can be a little sickening to watch. All right, so there we have them, Wednesday through Tuesday. This is still driving me bonkers here. Just do that. There it goes. Okay, cool. Wednesday through Tuesday, and so I'll have my remainders. I'll put them away in my kit. Oh, and this was the pen that came. How cute is that? With a little bear on it. He's super adorable. It is a gel pen, by the way. I don't know. Uh-oh. Hi, buddy. What's going on?
I got my